Hello everyone, today I'll be making DIY macrame hanging planters. I used book rings, macrame cord, scissors, and a hot glue gun to complete this project. I started off by measuring and cutting out 12 inches of the brown macrame cord. Then I began to wrap and glue the cord around the book ring.
I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind, you want me to prove it.
I cut off the remaining cord and completed this process again on the other two book rings.
If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, what you think I must?
After making the planter hooks, I hung up a command strip to use during the process of wrapping and braiding the macrame cord. I then cut off three 30-inch pieces of the white macrame cord and placed it through the book ring.
Let me know if I'm enough. I keep on spitting facts and you know that I don't bluff. Chase you.
After that, I cut off a 20-inch piece of the white macrame cord to use for the top and bottom wrapping. I placed the 20-inch string along the cords with the stray side up and the loop on the bottom. I wrapped the cord 6 times around.
You want me to prove it to you, to see what I lose.
After wrapping around 6 times, I put the end of the cord behind and through the loop on the bottom. And then I pulled the top straight piece up. I cut the excess cord at the bottom. On the top, I used the excess white cord from the top wrapping for the bottom wrapping.
I cannot chase you, I cannot fly, I cannot make you, you make up your mind, you want me to prove it to you.
I hot glued and wrapped the top remaining cord up to the binder ring.
Stand here waiting, what you think I might stay here for days. I'm losing my ways.
Next, for the braiding pattern, I make square knots. I start by holding out the leftmost and rightmost piece. With the left side, I make a number 4 and place over the other strings. Then I place the right side cord over and around the back of the strings and through the number 4 hole.
I cannot chase you.
I continued down, starting from the left side to create a twisted square knot braiding pattern. Since I was making small planters, I decided to only go with 6 to 9 square knots. But if you're going to be making a longer one, you could make more than that. After completing your braiding knot pattern, wrap the bottom with your excess cord. This process is the same as the top wrapping. First, you place the extra cord alongside the other cords with the stray side up and the loop on the bottom. Wrap the cord around 6 to 9 times. Put the end behind and through the loop on the bottom and pull the top straight piece. Cut off the excess and hot glue down straggly pieces of the cord.
If I cannot find you up in the dust, if I stand here waiting, would you think I must stay here for days?
And here's what the bottom wrapping looks like. It didn't come out as neat as the top one, but on the second planter I made, it came out neater.
There's really no point in waiting for someone who's not going to change.
Lastly, place your artificial plant or real plant into the hanger you made. I got these artificial plants from IKEA. And here's the final look. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.
You make up your mind. You want me to prove it to you. To see what I lose.